What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel by Shad. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and like this video, show some support. I appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to add a pattern or a background from the internet to your sneaker mock-up. So you will need Adobe Photoshop, or that's what I'm going to be showing y'all on this tutorial. So let's get into it. First, you want to go to the internet and type in a background or a pattern that you're looking for. I'm just going to show y'all the Louis Vuitton multicolor pattern. This is the image right here I'm going to use. So I'm going to copy or just drag this over. You also can double click and save image as, but I have the image right here. Make sure it's in the picture format as a JPG or a PEG or a JPEG. So I'm going to look at it and make sure it's nice and big and clear, and I'm satisfied with that. And then I'm going to open this into my Adobe Photoshop. Just drag that down and put it over the Photoshop. So here is the pattern that I'm going to be using. I'm going to unlock this. Go to Edit and Define Pattern. I'm just going to leave it as that name. You can name it whatever, but I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to exit out this tab. And I have my Air Force One sneaker mock-up already. If you need a tutorial on how to make a sneaker mock-up, look back at some of my videos and I explain it in some of those videos. So I have all of the panels separated. And I'm going to just do the toe box, outer toe box. And then you got your layer style when you double click on your tab. Everyone's might be different, especially if you never used this before, but you can go into this FX and it shows you all the effects, and you can have the pattern. You can tap pattern, or you can do the color. You can add a lot of colors, but I already have one open. So I have my pattern tab. I'm going to hit that, and automatically a pattern comes up. This is a suede pattern. This is not the one I'm trying to show y'all, but I have multiple patterns. So I'm going to go and find this Louis Vuitton pattern I have, and then you can scale it to make it bigger. It's real big. Make them bigger or real small, depending on what type of size you're trying to go for. I'm just going to kind of make it medium. And then you also can change the direction, the angle of your pattern. And you also can drag it. Just make sure you're on a pattern overlay, and you can drag it. So I'm going to just set something up like that, maybe make it a little smaller. Okay. You also can add cover overlays and stuff like that. I'm just trying to show y'all a basic one as of now. And then you can also new style to save everything you've done to this pattern. Press OK. Then press OK in this tab, and you can continue to go out throughout the shoe to add wherever else you want this pattern to go. So I'm going to do the heel portion, just a simple like custom Louis Vuitton shoe that any customizer that would do. So I will have it there. I'm going to do this upper portion, so I have it there, and I'm going to do the laces. Let me see what that look like. Okay, that's pretty dope. And then I'm going to do the swoosh. The swoosh. Alright, got that. Okay, and there you go. So this how it will look if I use the multicolor Louis Vuitton pattern, whether if I painted or use the actual leather or the material that you can get from someone who makes these. I'm going to move this a little bit different. So, okay, that's fine. So yeah, here you go. This gives you a visual image of what I had in my head of what I maybe want to customize. So yeah, this is pretty easy. It's really nothing hard or confusing about that. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like I said, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by Shad. Hit that notification bell and like this video. We're going to have future mock-up videos I'm going to show and teach y'all, as well as tutorial videos on actual customizing more shoes. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm out.